A rainy day. It was a hot and humid morning. The weather was too unbearable that day. Birds and animals seemed completely covered with sweat. People and children were desperately waiting for rain. Poor workers were licking their parched leaves in that scorching heat. Because of this scorching heat, Sheena and her brother Tan were not allowed to go outside and play. Both of them were sitting at home feeling bored and praying to God for rain. Suddenly, something unexpected happened. A miracle of God. The sky became overcast and the clouds scudded by, like huge smoky cotton balls. The weather soon became stormy. Thunder roared like lions and started a shower of heavy rainfall from the sky. The drops of the rain looked like tiny crystals fall from the sky. The rain showers bring much relief to men and animals. The pleasantly cold water of the pattering raindrops quenched the thirst of the workers and other people. There was howling of the wind and splashing of the water. All people and the birds were very happy. Birds sang and twittered sweetly on the wet cold barks of trees. Roads turned into small rivulets and the children were splashing and playing in the muddy, dirty puddles. Papers floated in the water and kids started cycling all around in the colony. People happily started cooking snacks to enjoy the beautiful rain. Sheena and her family also enjoyed scrumptious snacks in their airy balcony. Soon, the clouds faded away and out came a colorful rainbow. The beautiful flowers danced merrily and tossed their heads. The greenery looked refreshing. Rain had turned the dreary day into a lovely one. Everyone thanked God for such a beautiful rain.